Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asep Chaudhary. Today date is 19 September 2021. Today topic name is interview question. What is control statement? Control statement in Java is a statement that will be decide whether other statement will be execute or not, and it will also control the flow of the program. Next, conditional statement. In conditional statement there is a condition and task. If the condition is true, then application will run the task. Next is what are the types of conditional statement. First is if statement. If statement will be execute when condition is if statement will be execute if block when condition is true. Then if else statement. If else statement, if the condition is true, then it will be execute the if block, otherwise it will be execute the else block. Next, nested if else statement. In nested if else statement is similar to if else statement, but the main difference between if else statement and nested if else statement is inside if and else block there is another if else statement is there. Next is switch. Switch statement in Java is the statement will execute single statement from multiple conditions. Next, difference between if else statement and switch statement. If else statement will evaluate all type of data like integer, float, floating point, boolean and character. Next, switch will evaluate integer or character. Next is if else. Explain if else statement and with example. If else statement, in if else statement, if the condition is true, then it will be execute the if block, otherwise it will be execute the else block. If we want to know 8 is odd number or even number, then in if block we will print we will write even number. In else block we will write odd number. For if we will give the condition 8 mod 2 is equals to 0, and then run the program, we will get the output 8 is even number. Next, break. What is the use of break? Break is used to break or terminate the program. Looping in Java is used to execute the set of the instructions and functions repeatedly until the condition will false. Next, type of loops. There are 4 types of loop. First, for loop. Second, while loop. Third, do while loop. Fourth, enhanced for loop. Next, difference between while loop and do while loop. In while loop, condition is tested before entering in the loop, and in do while loop, condition will be tested after the loop. While loop is also known as entry control loop, and do while loop is also known as exit control loop. In while loop, if the condition is false, then it will not execute the loop, and in do while loop, if the condition is false, then it will be execute the loop at least one time. Next, can we create for loop without any conditional expression? Yes, we will create a for loop without any conditional expression, but loop will be run infinite times because we will don't give any condition for this loop. Thank you.